Hi, I'm Chris Merrington from thelearningworker.com. Are you making a lot of Zoom calls these days? Having video conferences with clients, colleagues and suppliers? Well, here's some very useful advice. Remember that behind the image of your head and shoulders, there's a background. So before you turn on your camera, check behind you. Is there anything on your bookshelf that might be embarrassing? Or some personal items on your bedside table? Is there a stove boiling over in your kitchen? Or perhaps even a dog in your garden having a wee? It takes just 2 minutes to check everything the others can see when you're in the meeting. Such a small investment in time to avoid a huge potential embarrassment. Thanks for being with us. Watch us on YouTube, follow on Facebook and Twitter, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.